Assalamu alaikum and hello. Welcome to the ChemQuest. In this video today we will discuss about some facts about organic compound. So the first thing we are going to discuss that carbon is an essential element of organic compound. You will see carbon in each organic compound. Hydrogen is also commonly present along with carbon. Other elements which can be present in addition to carbon and hydrogen, they can be oxygen, nitrogen, and sulfur. In addition to sulfur, you may see some other elements like halogens, chloro, fluoro, etc. But if we want to place oxygen, nitrogen, and sulfur, then we have to remove one of the hydrogen present in the organic compound. So in this way, we will get derivatives of hydrocarbons as we have mentioned in the question number 1. Some compounds containing carbon, these are not included in organic compounds. So we have actually some compounds which contain carbon. As you can see in this example of carbon dioxide, carbon is present, but carbon dioxide is studied under inorganic materials, not under organic materials. Likewise, we have carbon monoxide. In this you can see that carbon is present, but again this is not an organic compound. Then we have this bicarbonate ion and this carbonate ion. In case of bicarbonate ion, we can see both hydrogen and carbon, but these two ions also they are not included in organic compounds. Now we will move towards some features of organic compounds. So we will again cover this topic in the form of a short question. There will be question number 5 as you can see, and the question is, what is catenation? Explain with examples. So we have to explain catenation with the help of example. We will first see the definition of catenation, which is the self-linking ability of carbon is called catenation. That is self-linking ability of carbon, this is called catenation. So in order to understand properly the self-linking ability of carbon, I have given examples of different organic compounds. First you are seeing n-butane. We are calling it as n-butane because it contains 4 carbons, 1 2 3 4. And in the self-linking ability, as we have said that carbon will be attached to each other. So in this example it is not clear, but I have given it in this form, in the expanded form. And in this structure you can see that carbon is directly attached to other carbons. This is actually the self-linking ability. The other example I have given here, this is isopentane. Pentane means 5 carbon compound, and you can see here 1 2 3 4 5, but we call it as isopentane, not n-pentane, because in this case one methyl group, this is present in branched form. That is why this is called as isopentane. Then I have given here another example of cyclic hydrocarbon. So, as I have said, catenation mean that carbon can form chains or rings. So these are the examples of carbon forming chains, but this is the example in which you can see that carbon is linked or attached to one another in the form of ring. So in this ring of naphthalene, you can see two benzene rings which are fused to each other. So what is the benefit of catenation? Carbon naturally has this ability that it can form long chains or benzene because of its self-linking ability. And because of this peculiar nature of carbon, there are millions of organic compounds known at present. And the reason is that it can form long chains and rings of carbon atom. I hope that you people have understood. If there is any question, you are very welcome to ask. We will meet with another question in the next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz.